Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll to the Mauritian Creole course. Let's just get started. So first step is you go on the Play Store and then you type Patreon. So let's type Patreon. And that's the first option here. Now you're going to install it. So I have already installed it. So you will see here, instead of the open button, you will find there's install. So you click on install. Okay, once it's installed, then you can open it. You go onto the app and you open it. And there you are. We are now on Patreon. Now to find the course, just search for a creator here. So I'm going to search learn Mauritian Creole lessons. And there you'll have it. So you can have a quick look at the contents. We have some polls here, some questions which I've uploaded. And this poll is just an interactive poll to get to know all my students, to get to know who wants to learn what. And you will see here that there's a blue button at the bottom, so become a Patreon. You can also click on overview if you want to have a view of what it's about. So here you have all the details on the course, what's the course content, who am I, and what I want to achieve. And on overview you can also find the tiers. So it's $10 per month, and that's going to be a course of 8 months. So now you can join. Click on join, or you can click on become Patreon here. And it's supposed to load something here. There you go. You can accept cookies if you want to improve your experience with the site. So you click on join. Please confirm your residence. So let's choose Mauritius or any country you want, and then you can submit it. Choose what you pay. You can choose to give a price, but I accept a minimum of $10 because I want to make it affordable for everyone. Local courses are actually 1,000 rupees for a session, what I heard about. I don't know. So then you go on payment details. You put, okay, so which card are you going to use? You can use the MCB card, the Visa one. MCB, Mauritius Commercial Bank, they have a Visa card, a Visa prepaid card that you can use for online stuffs. So here you put your name. Let's say my name is Emily. And my card number is, let's say it's 0005, something like that. Anything that you want. Continues. And then the card number is simply the number that you have on the front of the card. And then you put the expiry date that you will find just below the card number. Let's say it's on the 09 2001. The CVV is the three number, the three digits that you find at the back of a card, the prepaid card. Let's say it's 123. And your postal code is simply your postal code, your local postal code. So, how to find your postal code? There is on the Mauritius Post, there is an option where you can find your postal code there. You just need to put your details or something, your street, and then they give you your postal code, something like that. Or you can also email them. I happened to email them and they responded really quickly to give my postal code. And then as you filled in all these details, you will find that the Pay with Card button will appear clickable, and then you can click on that. Or another option is to choose PayPal. You can click on a PayPal and then you pay with PayPal. If you have it, it's very easy to just create an account on PayPal and send money into that. Otherwise, you can pay with a card. That's easier. So both methods are secure as you find here below. It's secure checkout. There's a lock here, so that's secure checkout method. So there's nothing to worry and Patreon is very safe. So summary, you'll have a summary of what your purchase was, and that's it. Then you're done with it. And you can start enjoying all the videos that are already available, all the worksheets. And just stay tuned because there are lots of more videos that are coming on the way. And I really hope that you do become a great student, that you do become very fluent in Mauritian Creole, and I will do my best to make that happen. On this note, thank you, and click the subscribe button, give me likes, comments, and that's it. Bye bye.